Hi, Chef Day here.
Today I'll be making a cabbage pancake. With this easy recipe, enjoy the deliciousness of a popular Japanese comfort food. Give it a try and savor a taste of Japan. For the full recipe, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. You will need 1/8 of cabbage, 1 bag of seafood mix, 1 teaspoon of kombu dashi powder, a little salt, 1 egg, 5 tablespoons of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of water, oil for cooking, sauce of your choice, mayonnaise, and aonori for toppings. Step 1. Shred the cabbage finely. Step 2. Heat a little oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the seafood mix and stir fry until cooked through. Step 3. Beat the eggs in a large mixing bowl. Add salt, kombu dashi powder, water, and flour, and mix well until smooth. Add the shredded cabbage and cooked seafood to the batter, and mix until well combined. Step 4. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Pour the butter into the pan and cook for about 2 minutes on one side until slightly crispy. Flip the pancake and cook the other side until it's cooked through. Transfer to a plate and drizzle with sauce and mayonnaise. Sprinkle with aonori for garnish. I hope you enjoy this delicious and savory Japanese cabbage pancake. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/en/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.